If you're wondering how to let customers vote or rank features with a form, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to gather valuable customer feedback by setting up a form that allows them to vote or rank features. And I'll walk you through the simple steps to do it in under 3 minutes. Stick around until the end, because I'll also give you an exclusive free trial of the software we're using today, only for viewers of my channel. The first thing you'll need is a form building tool that lets you add voting or ranking options. There are several popular ones out there, but after testing them all, I recommend using this software. It has everything you need and it's simple to set up. To start, you'll need to create a new form in your software. Look for the option to add a rating or poll field. This is where your customers will cast their votes or rank the features you're asking about. When setting up the form, you can either allow them to vote on a single feature or rank multiple features in order of preference. For voting, just add a set of radio buttons for each feature or option you want customers to choose from. This makes it easy for them to pick their top choice. If you want to gather more detailed information, ranking options work well. You'll add a drag and drop list or number system for them to reorder the features based on priority. Once the form is created, make sure the layout is clean and straightforward. Customers should know exactly what they're voting on or ranking, so be clear with your instructions. Keep your wording simple and concise. No need for complicated descriptions. You just want them to focus on making their choice. Next, test the form yourself. Go through the process like a customer would to make sure everything is working smoothly. After that, you can share the form with your audience. Add the link to your website, send it in an email, or embed it on social media. The software we're using today has built-in analytics, so you can see how customers are voting or ranking the features. Once you have enough responses, analyze the data to see which features are most popular or most needed. This information is valuable for making product decisions or prioritizing new features. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that the software we're using today has an exclusive free trial just for viewers of this channel. You can find the link to the trial in the description below. If you want to follow along or try out the software for yourself, don't miss out on that offer. So, what's the key takeaway? Letting customers vote or rank features with a form is an easy and effective way to gather direct feedback. By using a simple form builder, you can quickly set up a poll or ranking system, get insights into customer preferences, and use that data to improve your products. The process is quick, the results are valuable, and you can start getting feedback almost immediately. Just to recap, create your form, add voting or ranking fields, test it, share it with your audience, and use the analytics to make data-driven decisions. Don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial of the software from the link in the description below, and thanks for watching.